Oh, whew. That's a wow. That's a. You know what, Danny? Keep that in mind because that's a really deep question. It's gonna be really long. We're gonna answer. After. But before that, I want you guys. Do you have any question about what we're gonna do? Because we talk about the past, we talk about the present, what we do now with the conference, with the solid, with the workshop. But do you have any question about maybe the future, or do you have any question, yes, about the future, or other question? I mean, as a group. Rata, what's up?
Yo, Rata.
So don't hesitate.
Il y a une question. Will there be more conference in the future, please?
Okay. So yes, this is so as I said, the conference is really like a complete show, and we really want to show it the most that we can. So we're gonna try to do it in France. We're gonna try to do it in Europe, everywhere that people want it. So you know what? I'm gonna call Didier right now. Okay, Dan?
Yeah. Plus la famille.
Okay, Dan. See you in a bit.
Yeah.
I wait for Didier. So yes, the future, yes, the conference is gonna be played. We're gonna and people in each of your country, you can try to make this possible. You can try to make this possible also. So Didier is coming right now. Yes, Didier.
Hello.
So Didier, what can you tell us about what you hear about the future, about what we're gonna do?
About the future, it's gonna be the same like we did about the knowledge, the workshop, and the artistic thing on the stage, and try to push the new generation on the stage too.
Okay. Yeah. So there's a question for Martina. She asked, there will be more trainings transmission between old new generation.
Yeah.
So Martina, this is what we do. We never stop to do that, and this is what we do a lot. There's every summer there's what we call the practice sauvage. We always there dance. We dance under the sun in the summer, and Irison is there, and we dance with everybody. All the concept of the workshop that we do is for every generation. So you have also Rabat who did some training. Dan who organized many training. I organized many training. Also, the very important thing about exchange between generation is not only practice in the practice room, it's the club. And Didier does that is with his atmosphere party. There's like many generation we met in the really important.
Yes.
So now, Martina,
do you have a question? Another question about the future or another thing?
Yes, Martina. Let me see on the box if there is like. So alors, des projets de création. Do we have project of like long theater show? This conference that we talk about is a theater show also. It's a big thing that it's a crazy concept.
For the conference, there's different format for the theater and for the people like in the club. So that's why we wanted to do it on this format. So for before that, we wanted to make a ability to do it. So là tu m'entends?
Ça coupe un peu.
Ouais. And now and after that we wanted to push more about the knowledge about this culture, the culture of the clubbing. So that's why we wanted to do the conference with Otrip House. And this conference it's about the clubbing, where it's from, of course. So and why we decide to adopt this culture in France, and the story about the French dancer a little bit too, about all the crew of house dancers too, and of course about the Otrip House. And we did it many times, but we wanted to do it more and more, because I think it's a big show with a different story about and different keys about the knowledge about the dance and the music too. Yeah.
Yes. So Veruca asked you do more concept like you did in the atmosphere party during the Juste Debout week with the stalking. Let me just answer, Didier. It's your party, but let me just answer that we Didier organized the stalking in the atmosphere party since years. We're gonna put also some videos if you want, but we do that since years. So the goal was really not new. So
it was about new about the concept, because the concept was different, but the thing is, it was about stalking at this time. But for the atmosphere party, it's gonna be not only about stalking, because we can change not only with the stalking and different and differently. And at the time, I wanted to push the stalking because the people didn't know that very well, and I wanted, of course, keep the link between all the dancers, because on my point, I did it many times on atmosphere, but and I saw in the party there's many dancers, many famous dancers, but they didn't change dance together. But I wanted to put the link between these dancers and with the music, and to elevate the spirit of the dance. That's it.
Yes, and so there's question about if we're gonna come to LA, guys. We want to go everywhere. Huh? Basically, we want to be everywhere. We want to go and do what we do everywhere. So it depends of many things, you know, to be able to go to another country and do and be there. So guys, try to make that thing happen. Also, we also sometimes like create the occasion to go to other country by ourselves, but it's most of the time it's also the people from the country. You have to make things happen. You have to be able to build your community and to be able to make this possible to invite people like us to come. So because there's always this question, this kind of question. Yes, will you come to our country? But most of the time, it does not depend on us.
Yeah, exactly. So
that's the thing.
I think maybe there's some people who want to speak, and we can invite them. Maybe. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, why not? Can it someone? I don't know.
So I'm disconnected. Disconnect the. Let's go.
So I just read something that people give too much most of the time people give too much importance to the step and not enough to the groove. Oh man, I don't know. I cannot judge on this. The only thing that we know is that you cannot like separate both. It's dance. So if I can give advice, don't try to in your mind to have that strict separation between what people can call technique or what people can call footwork or gesture and the groove. Try to think about both at the same time. If I can answer about this. If there's people who want to be, we open. Huh? Don't hesitate to ask to join the discussion. You will be seen by everybody, and we can speak with you. Question from Jade. Peut-être un camp au trip, pas uniquement de danse, mais aussi musique, histoire. Ok, super. It's a good question, Jade. Jade asked us if we're planning to do a camp, not only about the dance, but about all that we know, music, culture, etc. We already have that big project called Paris Trip House. It's gonna be with parties, it's gonna be with stage, it's gonna be with conference, it's gonna be with many things. So this is a good question, and we can talk about that. This is something that we try to build since a long time, and we really, really hope that it's gonna be possible. And so before that, we continue to do what we do, as I said, like the practice sauvage, Danse de Maison by Rabat, all the people that we teach, whatever it's on class, whatever it's on in club, whatever it's everybody. Donc, so that's the thing. So is there? I'm just looking the question.
So if you hear me, the showcase was in June. So yeah, we can talk about like some kind of shows at the end of this live. Okay, another example about all what we said. Maybe there is something wrong. So I can give you some example about what we did, like what we said before. On stage, we use the freestyle. What you say? So the game of us at that time, okay. So if you can hear Ricky Soul, that's maybe something goes wrong. Maybe only me. I don't know why we don't hear Ricky Soul. Maybe Ricky has to join. So that's okay. So like I show you some kind of example about what we said about what we do on stage. On stage, like I explained and we explained that the game, like only Didier knows the music and us no, we don't. We just have to make a freestyle on it. It was the game, and we build the show live. It was the game of us. So we create like different concept on stage, different way to take the music, and it was live. So that's why we talk about the identity. And after, like he said about transmission, like the project, different project, and we still continue. By the way, we talk a lot, and I don't know why Ricky Soul is not there anymore. Maybe we have to make a small conclusion. Maybe if you have some last question, and maybe we can restart another time. So maybe Ricky Soul can stop this one and restart again. I don't know. I'm alone. Something goes wrong. I don't know why. Maybe you have some question. Ricky Soul, are you here? No, that's okay. That's okay. Doesn't matter. But we would like to tell thank you everybody who was there. And maybe we can do another time, another session, and maybe for different subject, maybe some different kind of idea about what you want to hear, what you want to have some some information. That's okay? So about it, I want to tell you again, bye-bye, and maybe see you next time. Bye, and take care. Bye-bye. Mickey Soul has to cut. And thank you, everybody. Really thank you. Next time, prepare your question.